All right, guys. So during this video for Mission 15, Build Option 1, I am going to show you three things. I'm going to show you how to read a prompt, which this is a prompt right here. So I'm going to show you how to read a prompt properly. I'm going to show you how to write a thesis. Then I'm going to show you how to use that thesis to organize the rest of your essay. I'm not actually going to write an essay for you, just going to show you how to plan it properly. So we're going to go pretty fast. This is a prompt right here. I've taught you this before, but just as a reminder, we do not read the quote. The quote is designed to, well, sometimes it works and sometimes it's designed to trick us. So I don't even bother reading it. We don't even read the sentence after the quote. The only sentence we read is the one starting with these four words, write an essay explaining. For this one, it's write an essay explaining the value perseverance. That's the only sentence that we need to read in a prompt because it's the only sentence that tells us what to do. Now that I have the prompt, I'm going to start planning my thesis. As a reminder, a thesis does two things. It restates the prompt and provides two reasons. The second thing a thesis does, it organizes the rest of your essay. So whatever you have as reason one, that's going to become the topic of body paragraph one. Whatever you have as reason two, that's going to become the topic of body paragraph two. In order to restate the prompt, this is what I mean. When we go back here, this is your prompt, right? An essay explaining the value of perseverance. So all you have to do to restate the prompt is this. Write an essay explaining the value of perseverance, and you get the value of perseverance is. And since we have to provide two reasons, as it says over here, we have to provide two reasons, we can just leave ourselves blank and blank. Those will represent two reasons when we fill in those blanks. The value of perseverance is blank and blank. Filling in those two blanks is going to allow us to already have the prompt restated and our two reasons. Now, in order to come up with our two reasons, it's pretty simple. One, you have to know what this word means, what perseverance means. If you do not know what it means, you can look it up. But perseverance essentially means getting through, or rather when you're failing at something that you want to achieve, you don't give up. Perseverance is another way to say not giving up. So the value of perseverance is, let's say, it allows you to learn from failure, and it allows you to achieve your dreams. Cool. The value of perseverance is it allows you to learn from failure, and it allows you to achieve your dreams. Now, like I said over here, reason one becomes the topic of body paragraph one. Reason two becomes the topic of body paragraph two. So let's look at another example in order to see this even more clearly. I have a good one right here. So in this student example, their prompt was write an essay explaining how an individual person can make the world a better place. They said an individual person can make the world a better place by pursuing a successful career and maintaining the cleanliness of your neighborhood and environment. Now watch this. Reason one, an individual person can make the world a better place by, reason one was pursuing a successful career, and topic of body paragraph one, the world can be a better place if you pursue a successful career. So this entire paragraph is about reason one, pursuing a successful career. And then their second reason was maintaining the cleanliness of your neighborhood and environment. And that's the topic of paragraph two right here. Another way an individual can make the world a better place is by maintaining the cleanliness of your environment. So if we look at my example, the value of perseverance is it allows you to learn from failure and it allows you to achieve your dreams. I know that the topic of body paragraph one will be perseverance. Whoops, I can't type, guys. Allows you to learn from failure, and make this a little bit smaller just so it all fits. Topic of body paragraph two allows you to achieve your dreams. So I will have one whole paragraph about how perseverance allows you to learn from failure. I'll make up 5 details. The details are basically the sentences inside the paragraph. So when I'm planning these, I don't have to write a whole sentence. I'm just, coming up with a phrase to represent that detail. And then I'm going to have another paragraph all about achieving your dreams, just like this student did over here, the one that I showed you earlier. There are 2 reasons an individual person can make the world a better place by pursuing a successful career. Paragraph 1, all about successful career and 5 details for it. And then reason 2, maintaining the cleanliness of your neighborhood. And then a whole paragraph about that right here, maintaining the cleanliness of your environment. So that is how you have an essay that scores a 3. You restate the prompt, provide 2 reasons for your thesis, and that thesis organizes the rest of your essay. Reason 1 becomes topic of body paragraph 1. Reason 2 becomes topic, body paragraph 2. 5 details for each. That's all you need.